So let's take it. So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for today on our New Zealand dollar JPY. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. The link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now, first and first, we can see that on our New Zealand dollar JPY, we are in an uptrend mode. We can clearly see that New Zealand dollar JPY giving us a side, it is trending to the upside, right? Having a series of higher high and an higher low. So this is our first high that New Zealand dollar JPY gave us. Then we eventually add an higher low. Then here comes the higher high, and here is our higher low. New Zealand dollar JPY was able to push up and form a new higher high. And here comes the higher low, right? Right here. So market has been able to push up and form a new higher high, New Zealand dollar JPY, and then here comes the higher low. So New Zealand dollar JPY have been able to push up again to form an equal higher high, right? Equal high. So we are expecting market to drop to at the support level, right? So we are expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to drop and have the support level. So for a day, we should be expecting a bearish move on dollar JPY because this is a rejection zone, which is a resistance level. So we should expect market to reject from this resistance level and drop back to it at our support level at this level. Would there be any changes to this moment that we just predicted? Absolutely yes. If there will be any changes to this moment that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. I'm going to give you guys an update. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, all you just need to do is very simple. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.